Hey, I have here this identity on the board. We have arctan of x plus arctan of 1 over x equals pi over 2. And I'm just going to want to show that this is true and why it's true. So to start with, I'm just going to work with my arctan of x. And what I'm going to do is let's set this equal to y. So to do that, I'm just going to say y equals arctan of x. And then what I can do is rearrange this. So we can also write this as x equals tan of y. And then what I can do is just draw my triangle to get a sense of this thing and find some other values. So we'll draw a right triangle where the angle is going to be y. And from this, all we know, we can write this as x over 1. So we know tangent is opposite over adjacent. So if our opposite is x and our adjacent is 1, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the third side. The hypotenuse is going to be x squared plus 1 in this case. And once we have our triangle, of course, we could find any other trig function we want. Like if we wanted to find, just for example, if we wanted to find sine of y, we could just go opposite over hypotenuse, which is going to be x over square root of x squared plus 1. But what I want to do from here, of course, it's a triangle. We have 3 angles. We know that this, our right triangle, this one's going to be 90. And then we'll just label this angle t. Now, because of the sum of the angles of a triangle are always 180, we can also say that y plus t plus 90 equals 180, but then we could subtract 90 from both these sides, and then we could say that the angles y plus t equal 90 degrees, or in radians we can write this as pi over 2. Now the same way we could find any of our trig functions in y, the way we did here with sine of y, we can do the same thing now with t. So if I want to find a value for t, let's just say tan of t is going to be opposite over adjacent, and so that's going to be 1 over x. But then what I can do is take the inverse on both sides here. If I take tan inverse on the left side, we just have t, and if I take tan inverse here, we have tan inverse of 1 over x. But arctan of 1 over x is the value that I have right here in my equation, so we can call this t. But knowing that arctan of x is y and arctan of 1 over x is t, using this formula right here, we show that these two angles have to sum to 90 or pi over 2, and so this is true. So that's it. Thanks everyone for watching today. Have a great day.